Okay, children. Our next topic is rounding of numbers. What? Rounding of numbers. So, in fourth class we learned already this. We learned already rounding of numbers to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds and nearest thousands, like this are there. Rounding of numbers to this nearest tens, to the nearest hundred, to the nearest tens. So if they ask to round up the numbers, what we have to do? If they ask to round up the numbers to the nearest tens, we have to take 10 multiples. What are 10 multiples? In 10 table what you will get? 10 ones are 10, next 2s are 20, 30, 40, 50. So if asked us to round off the numbers to the nearest 10, then what we have to take? Multiples of tens. What are those? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And next, if more than 100 means what? 110, 120, 130. Like this, we have to write up to 200. Next, more than 200 means 210, 220, 230, like that. These are tens. And if the number is more than that, if it is in thousands, then how we can write that? 1010, 1020, 1030, like this. 1100 means 1100, 1110, 1120, 1130, 1140. Next 1240, 1250, 1260, like that. So if you want to round up the number to the nearest 10, what you have to do means, example I am saying, I will write a number here. What? 75,462. This is the number I have given to you. I said you to round off this number to the nearest tens. So ones, tens. How many digits you should consider? Only 2 digits you have to consider. When they ask us to round off to the nearest 10, then what you have to take? Only 2 digits. What are the 2 digits? 62. 62 is closer to which tens? 62 is between 60 and 70. 60, 70. Between them, we have what? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So what is the number I have given here? 62. 62 means it is nearer to which one? 60 or 70? For which one it is near? It is near to 60. So what is the nearest 10 to this number? What is the nearest 10 means what we should write? 75,400. It is same, but 62 is nearer to 60. That is the nearest 10. Okay. So if I ask 66 here, what you will write? So which number we should take? 66. So which is closer to 66? 60 or 70? Which is closer here? So 66. If you want to count this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers you have to count. If you want to go there, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So which is closer means 70 is closer. That's why what is the nearest 10? 75,400. 66 closer 10 is what? 70. Okay, like this we have to round up the numbers to the nearest tens. Example I asked, just round up the number. How much? 786 to the nearest 10. What you will do? Nearest tens means how many digits we should take? Only last 2 digits you have to take. How much it is? 86. 86 is closer to which one? 86 means 80, 90. It is between 80 and 90. So it is closer to which digit? 80 and 90. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. This 85 is in the middle. If less than 85 means you have to write 80. 86 means it is more than 85. So it is closer to which one? 90 only. So what is the nearest 10 closer to this one? 790 is the closest 10. Okay. Right? Like this we have to write. And the next round off the numbers to nearest hundreds. Round off the numbers to nearest hundreds. So first one, hundreds means what are hundreds? What are hundreds? Nearest 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Like this. These are nearest hundreds. 700, 800, 900. These are what? Nearest hundreds. Now if I give any number here, for example, I have given how much? 25,324. This is the number I have given. 25,324. I asked you to round off this number to the nearest hundreds. Round off this number to nearest hundreds. When they have given hundreds, what we have to take? Ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds means these three digits you have to consider. What is the number? 324. In these hundreds, which is closer to 324? 324 means above 300, below 400. So it is lying between 300 and 400. Okay. So which is closer? 324 is closer to 300 or 400? What? Between them, what we have? 350 we have. Between 300 and 400, what is the number we have? 350. This 324 is less than 350, so it is closer to 300. 324, 350, small, it is smaller than 350, that's why it is closer to 300. Example, if I give 385, 385 means it is more than 350, that's why it is closer to which number? 400. So 324, it is very closer to which number? 300. So 25,300, that is the nearest 100 to that. Okay. So example, another number I will use, 78,974. Round off it to the nearest tens. Okay. What are the nearest tens? Sorry, nearest tens, nearest hundreds. Hundreds means we should take ones, tens, hundreds. 974 we have to take. So 974 lies between what? 900 and 1000. 900 and 1000. So 974. Between 900 and 1000 what we have? 950. This number is more than 950. That's why it is closer to which number? 1000. So 1000. 78 already thousands. Again 1000 is there. So 78,000 plus 1000 means what? 79,000. It is closer to this one. Actually they will not ask this number. They may ask 874. How you will say? 874 is between which numbers? 800 and 900. Okay, it is more than 850, that's why it is closer to which number? 900. So what is the nearest 100 to this? 78,900. That is the closer 100 to that. Nearest 100 to that. Next one what? Nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means what? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, like that you have to compare. So first we will complete the first bit and second bit in exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4, what is the first bit? Round these numbers. Round these numbers to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Tens means how many digits you should take? Only 2 digits you have to consider. So the first one is, what is the first one? A 10,145. 10,145. We have to round off it to the nearest tens. So tens means ones tens. Ones tens means which number we are getting here? 45. 45 is closer to which tens? Tens means what I said? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Those are tens. So 45 is between 40 and 50. 40 and 50. So 45 is closer to which number? Either 40 or 50. What we should write? We should write more numbers. So 50 only. So nearest 10 is equals to what? 10,100. These three are not changed. Only we have to change these two only. So 45, it is closer to which number? 50. Okay. Similarly, B. What is B in this? 7,83,093. 7,83,093. So tens, nearest to tens, that's why we should take only two digits. What is the number we are getting here? 93. Last two digits we should take. So 93 we are getting. 93 is between what? 90 and 100. Okay. So 93 is close to which number? 91. So nearest to 10. What is nearest to 10? The remaining numbers are same. What? 7,83,000 and this 0 is also same. Here in the place of 93 what we should write? Only 9. Okay. Like this you should write. So last one number I am writing here. What is that? F. What is F? 92,407. So we have to round off that number to nearest tens only. Nearest tens. Ones, tens. So tens means these two digits only you should take. What is that? 7. Tens means what? 10, 20, 30, 40. 7 is near to which one? Only 10. So that's why what? Nearest 10. Nearest 10 is how much? 92,400. This is same, but this is nearer to which number? 10. Okay. This is the first bit. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. Next, second bit is there. What is the second bit? Round these numbers. Round these numbers to the nearest hundreds. To the nearest 100. I already explained. 100 means how many digits we should take? 3 digits, and you have to write it. Okay. A. What is A? 4,05,009. Okay. This is special case. So I will explain it afterwards. Next, B. What is B? 14,910. 14,910. What is 100, sir? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 910. That is in hundreds place. 910. So 910 is closer to which 100? 100 means what? 100, 200, 300, 400. Those are there. So 910 is closer to which number? 900 only. So in this place, what you have to write? Nearest 100 is equals to 14,900. That is the nearest 100. Okay. Similarly, next one order 86,950. 86,950. Nearest 100. What is nearest 100 here? Ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds place what? 950 is there. So 950 is between what? 900 and 1000. So nearest 100 means what we should take? 900 only. So 86,900. right? Only first problem is another one. What is that first problem? 4 lakhs 5,009. 4 lakhs 5,009. So should take this 5,009. So here there are no hundreds. That's why we are taking thousands place also. 5,009 means it is closer to which one? 5,000 or 6,000? 5,000 only. Otherwise 5,009, it is lying between 5,000 and 5,100. So it is closer to which one? 5,000 only. That's why nearest 100. What is nearest 100 here? 4 lakhs 5,000. This is the nearest 100. Okay, like this. Complete first bit, second bit in exercise 1.4.